We had some rain across the country yesterday, which helped to ease the dry conditions in many parts. However, the eastern parts of Gangwon-do and Gyeongsang-do provinces did not see much rainfall. So the dry weather advisory remains in place for the east of Gangwon-do, and there are wind advisories for the east coast. So please continue to be very careful to avoid accidentally causing any wildfires. And it's a cooler start compared to yesterday under bright skies. And by the afternoon, we'll see things warm up, with Seoul reaching 20 degrees, Daejeon, Gwangju, Chuncheon topping out at 21 degrees. But more clouds could be rolling in over the upper regions this afternoon. Looking ahead to the long holiday weekend, we have frequent chances of rain. We're expecting rain across the country again tomorrow. Saturday, the amounts will be between 5 and 20 millimeters. And sorry to disappoint you, we also have rain in the forecast for various parts of the country on Children's Day and on Tuesday. So please keep an umbrella handy during the holiday.